Hey, everybody, this is Dr. J. Kamal and Spike. Yes, Spike is hiding there somewhere. Streaming live from
Yes,
Long Island. Spike is coming back.
I'm hiding.
He's driving and he doesn't want to miss a word of the show, so he's on with us. May not be talking much until a few more minutes go by. He's got to get out of the beachy area.
Yeah.
So
We're
I was
talking about ETFs, which subjects.
Yeah, ETF is the theme of the day. We're going to talk SMH, IBIT, ETHV, ETHA, any of them. What else?
What about my favorites?
IWM.
FIW.
We're going to talk.
FIW.
Which one? Water? Is that water?
Yes, FIW.
Okay. Well, chart. I didn't plan on it, but sure. Chart that one, and SPY, and what else? I guess that's it. Might as well start with the usual SPY, right?
Yes.
Let me share screen. Odd is with us. What is this? This is IWM. I want to go to SPY.
IWM did pretty good today.
I don't like to. No, it was down on the day. I mean, it's okay. It was down. It ended the day down. It was up all day. I don't like the candle that SPY turned in today either, for that matter.
It's riding on the lower. It's riding on the lower end of the channel as well.
Yeah, it's hovering at the lower end of the channel, and it was not a nice candle. It was a doji, not a good one, not a nice looking one. So nothing dead, really, nothing dead. I think Spiders made a new high though. Didn't they make a new all-time high? 630 something.
631, I think. The highest of SPY is 631.
Yeah, so that's an all-time high, higher than Friday. So we made an all-time high. We closed below it, and I think the Qs made an all-time high as well. So where is this going? We've discussed it to death. We've picked several numbers, but the last number we were at was essentially where this crosses, more or less. Let's say right about here at 680. Is that where they crossed? No, a little further.
No, you had 700 something, 720 or something.
Was it in the 700s? I
Yes.
can't drag it down to see it.
Make a 1 year. Click on the 1 year, you'll see it. And then move it around.
Yeah, it's all the way at the end here. That's about 740. Yeah, 750, something like that.
So you think it's going to stick within that channel?
I don't think so. I think we're flagging right now. We're not really doing much over the last 2 weeks. I think it'll take us out of that vortex temporarily, and then we'll get sucked back in. You can't. As it narrows, it's impossible to stay in it the whole time.
Right.
So it'll go in and out of it, all the way up to the 700s. But I'm going to take something off at 650 anyway. And a little bit more off at 700, a little more off at 750. And if it goes to 800, I'm probably out. If it goes there quickly, you know what I mean? What's the point?
Right,
Wait for a disaster to happen? I mean, even 750, I'm going to be mostly out. If it gets there before the end of the year, 750, I think I'm going to be
Well,
mostly.
your projection says September. In September, it's like August. I'm sorry, end of September.
If that happens, I'm going to be mostly out at that point.
Makes sense.
Yeah, I mean, you can't be a pig, right?
Nope.
What is it? Pigs get slaughtered on Wall Street.
Right. So I have nice gains, and I'm 50% cash right now. I still have just a massive one position in Tesla, plus
Well,
my other losers like BCRX and Anubis and other things.
you are mainly a short-term trader,
Correct. I'm not long term.
so you could go in and out 10 times before it tops.
Yeah, probably.
And Tesla is your big position.
Correct.
Aren't you worried about Trump, doing something to get even with Elon?
I think it's the other way around. I think Elon is going to do something, is going to release something or another, is going to show something or another to get even with Trump.
But Trump is the stronger of the two. That's president.
As of now, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I don't think Elon is going to forgive or forget, nor Trump. I think they're both are going to go at it really hard.
You think they're both smoldering at this point?
Yep. They're cooking something in the background.
Scares me. That's why I don't add to my Tesla position. I really
I added a lot, but I just want out once it hits like 350s. I'll be out.
I might do the same because I'm really scared that the feud will manifest itself in some terrible way that's going to hurt Tesla. I mean,
it has done that multiple times already.
Yeah. So, I mean, just it went down 14 points in one day, just on nothing, right? Just he said, "Boo." It could be a lot worse. So I'm scared of that blowing up, and I'm not the only one that's scared. A lot of investors that I know are scared of that because Tesla would be a great play. It's a great company, but
it is new technology. It's on the front end of technology.
Between AI and robo taxi and whatever the robot's called, Maximus, right. Whatever it's called, Optimus. Yeah. All right. So anyway, this looks like we've looked at this a million times. It's going to look the same no matter how we look at it. SPY, that is. Take a look at BTC. Another one we've been looking at for a while. Well, it's doing the same thing. It's consolidating after the pull up, after the run up. It does it every time. It takes a while before the next run up.
But it looks like it's due. It looks like it's due. It's due to jump up.
It's soon to erupt again. I don't know. This is annoying. This drawing tool makes you go back and forth. You see the flagging pattern here, consolidating pattern. So it's consolidating just like it always does after a run up.
Correct. It does it for like 10 days or 2 weeks, and then it jumps up.
Yeah, they could do it for a long period of time. At one point, it did it for months. So you don't know how long it's going to just go up and back, chop, whatever you call it. But I do think the direction is up. I think we get to that 145,000 mark. I think that's where Arjun and I were at. I'm sticking to that. So yep. I'm not selling any ibit, which I have on the next chart. I don't. I should put that in now. ibit. Looks very much like Bitcoin, doesn't it? and
Yes,
well,
it
it
does.
should, and well, it should attracts it. So I think you can, whatever you have to say about Bitcoin, I say about ibit. It's consolidating now. It could come down, and this shows the gap. Could come down and fill that gap. That's possible. That close is 64.50. Could come down
I
to
highly
six.
like it.
What would you be a buyer at 64.50? Kamal, would you
Yes,
be
I
where?
regret selling it. I sold it a long time ago at 30, 35.
So where would you be a buyer? Right in this
Probably lower 60s.
lower
Lower
60s,
60s.
like 63.87 is where I am now. Let me put
Yeah.
that in. People want to know where to buy it.
Well, it looks like
64.30.
it's riding above the 50-day moving average. Just above it.
Right here, 63.70. How's that?
Okay.
Looks like a good place, just above the 50, like you said.
Yeah,
I
just
like
above the
that. Maybe even a little lower, but I think this is a good area. Looks like support. So I dropped to 63.70. I think I'll add to ibit. I'm looking to add. Maybe even sell some of my MicroStrategy. Add this. What do you think of that trade?
I think that's a good idea.
Yeah, that's Chano's idea. The short seller. He says short MicroStrategy and go long ibit. Well, if you already own both, I guess it would be sell MicroStrategy and buy ibit.
Yeah, I sold all my MicroStrategy, all of it. I have none.
Yeah. Take a look at the semiconductor. I bought this one today. I bought it higher, obviously. It's a gravestone doji on the day. I expect it to come down to the trend line here at about 288. 288. Right about it, right in here, maybe lower, 281. Something like that. It depends. If it comes down to this trend line, it's 288. Comes down to this one, it's 278, 280. You see, I put the main trend line in below it, but this one has been it's been very strong. This inner trend line, you see, SMH.
Yep.
So that's actually adhering very well to that inner trend line. So I don't think I'll get much of a bargain, but maybe I can buy it a little bit cheap. I'm going to be adding 3 or 4 times to this one. IWM, I have a growing position. I keep adding. I'm probably going to add again right around where it closed. Maybe even after the show, I might add. This is a good area, 220 area to add. I think it goes higher. I think it takes out 225. I think it probably goes up to 280 by the time we're done. You're going up, that is. By the time the SPY hits 700, right? So SPY
Right.
hits 700. Yeah, I think this will hit 280. Okay, what did Professor Spike want?
Can you check Riot? Riot, RIOT, RIOT.
That's a miner, right?
Right.
Bitcoin
I
miner.
have the stock for a long time, but recently it's been shooting up.
I don't like today's candle.
Me either.
Well, if you own it a long time, you're probably underwater because I know your style.
I am underwater in that one.
But it doesn't mean you have to keep it. You could swap out of it and buy ibit.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, that's just a thought.
But if you click on the 1 year,
The miners haven't been doing so totsy.
Yeah. Do you see what it is right now? Like today, it reached a
It's
very level and then it came down,
it's
like resistance type of
it's
thing.
testing the highs. I see that.
Yeah, that's
Sure,
what I
it's
want.
testing the resistance up. Yeah, definitely. The close of the day that day was 1497. Definitely. That would be a key level, 1490, 15s, let's say. It didn't like it today,
Yeah,
But if Bitcoin continues to move up, it should move up too. We should
that's
lift
what
all boats.
that's what I'm thinking. The tide, the high tide will lift all the boats.
Yep, that's right. What was the one for Spike said? FIW?
I think so.
ETF for water. They have ETFs for everything, don't they? Wow. He's in a good one. Did he ever tell us about this one? Maybe. I don't remember.
No. Did he say FIWM or FIW?
No, FIW.
Okay.
This is the ETF for water. I know he's in there. I didn't know which one.
So this is riding the 50. Kind of hit the 50.
This is a 50. Yeah.
Yeah.
50 is support. Came down off the top, but it looks good. Looks very good. The trend line is intact. Let's draw it. What's this?
Dave wants you to take a look at CRK.
Okay.
So what's the outcome on this one? So this one's riding the 50. And it looks like in an upward channel.
I don't know what I did. I do the wrong thing. I got to get rid of it. I wanted the regular trend line. I got something else. Where is it? I lost the trend line.
Scroll up. You see that thing? No. Scroll up. Pick the, yeah, click on the arrow, go down, just down a little bit. Down, go to the arrow, to the right side. Yeah, a little down. To the right there. Click on that. Yeah, move this up.
Click.
Yeah, just move it up so you will see the thing you were looking for. Right there.
Thanks. That's it.
Yeah, so this is the channel. So it's testing the bottom of the channel.
Yeah, yeah, you can call it a channel if I want to draw to complete it. Yeah. Well, it's a channel. I could draw it if I wanted to. But.
No, yeah, I understand, but so it's in the bottom of that on it's touching that trend line, right? The lower trend line.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, something like
better.
That. So it's a buy, I guess now, right?
It's a buy, yeah. Looks like it came down to the lower trend line. It's a buy.
Yep.
It's a very good hold, from the April lows. Very good hold. Made a nice run. What other ETF did I put down? ibit we did. That might be it. Is there any other ETF?
Did you do SMH?
Yeah. Didn't I?
Okay. I'm not sure. I don't recall. I know you said you bought it, but I'm not sure if you charted it.
This is it.
Yeah,
I did.
Yeah. So CRK, Dave wanted to chart CRK.
All right, see, let's see. Okay, that's energy.
Oh,
Oh man, I don't like this chart. I haven't liked it since I looked at it.
what is that yellow line you got there?
This is aggravation if you own this.
Yeah. What is that yellow line? It kind of sat on that yellow line.
I think that's the 150.
Mm.
It's at the 150-day moving average.
Yeah.
Maybe it's support. I don't know. But I don't like it. You
I
can,
don't like it either.
I wouldn't be keeping this unless I had really good reason.
It looks like on a downward trend line.
If the CEO whispered something nice into my ear, I might keep it. It's the only way. Doesn't look good.
And the volume is high today as well.
Don't like it. Come on.
Yep, makes sense.
All right. So that we did good for the day, I think. We'll do
Yeah.
future thoughts.
So basically, this Wednesday, a bunch of ERs on Wednesday, right?
On Wednesday, we're going to have the show Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, right?
Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. But I'm saying Wednesday, there is Tesla's going to do their ER, and Google, and a bunch of other companies.
Google and Tesla. What do you think? What's going to happen?
As far as Tesla, I think it's going to be sideways.
Yeah. I think the earnings may not be great, but I think the stock may move up anyway. It's what he says, you know.
Right.
And I think Google might surprise to the upside.
I hope so. I'm looking for news.
Expectations. Natural gas got killed today, David. Linus. Go to bonds. Not yet. I'm heavily in bonds, but I'm not going to go 100%. And winning horses are difficult. I gave 3 picks. They set the box the 5, the 9, and the 12. The 12 won, and the other 2 were out of the money, so I lost my exacta. So it's not easy to pick the horses. It's easier to pick stocks.
It's not easy to pick anything nowadays.
The only thing that's easy to pick is your nose.
Right.
That's pretty easy. Spike, were you on? I guess not. All right, future thought. What do you think? Give me your final thoughts.
I'm a bit nervous about the internal issues in this country. You know, the president and all these issues that's going on, and the fighting. It's making me nervous.
Do you think he's going to fire Powell?
Anything could happen, honestly. I mean, he flips a lot.
I hope not. That'll cause a bad market reaction.
Correct. I hope not. You know, because Powell has been keeping it stable, if you will.
Yeah,
I mean, under control.
He appointed him. Why would he fire him?
I don't know, man. I mean, he wants him to lower the interest rate regardless.
He will. I think he is going to lower it in September.
I think the last time he wanted him to lower it and he didn't, and he didn't like that.
I think he'll lower it in September and then again one other time.
If he lowers it, then that's going to like boost the market big time.
Yeah.
It's going to
get I'm still buying SMH. I'm still buying IWM. Staying with it for a little while longer. Not selling anything yet.
Did you see BBI today? BBI got smashed.
I bought IEF today also. I added to my position. What was that?
BBAI.
I'm not happy that got crushed.
It got crushed today.
Maybe it's an opportunity to add. I don't know.
I mean, from 14 to like 11 something.
BBAI?
Yeah.
No, I think it went to 7 something, from 8 something. You're getting confused with another one.
BBAI.
No, No, you're confusing it with QS.
Oh, yes, you're right. QS got crushed today as well.
From 14.5 to 12.5, something like that.
Yes.
Adios, amigos. Happy trading. See you all on Wednesday, and tell your friends about us and all that stuff. Subscribe. Ciao.
Okay, take care, guys.